放屁. 放屁 literally means fart. Sorry, I know I'm a lady, I shouldn't say it. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Daisy. In this video, I'm going to tell you the most popular 8 Chinese slang. We speak it every day, and those slang are only 2 or 3 characters, but they all have the strong meaning. Even if you are beginner, you can still only use the short slang words to surprise or make joke with your Chinese friends. So now, let us start it! The first one is 吹牛. 吹牛 literally means blow the tail, but in daily life that one means to boast. Somebody want to enhance the truth to make it sound better. In that moment, you can reply them 吹牛. Hi Daisy, how is your YouTube going? Yeah, it's amazing. I got 2,000 subscribers in 2 months. 吹牛. Cut. Hello guys, I'm Daisy, real Daisy. I use YouTube, upload video every week for 2 months. I only got 76 subscribers. I don't want to be a 吹牛 person anymore. So as an adult, I believe you know what you should do, right? Second one is 单身狗. 单身狗 literally means single dog, but in daily life that means hopeless single in a really poor way. Normally when people, they really want to find a partner, but unfortunately they're still single, so they will say themselves is 单身狗. Hi Daisy, do you have boyfriend? 我是单身狗. The third one, hold on. If you are under 18, please skip the next minute and then carry on watching. So the third one is 白嫖. 白嫖 literally means free whoring. Like some people, they want to go whoring, but they don't want to pay. So in daily life, that means you take advantage of somebody. And this one is really funny and really popular in nowadays. Daisy, could you give me 5 hours free trial lesson before I apply your class? Because I have to know whether I like it. 你想白嫖? The fourth one is 放屁. 放屁 literally means fart. Sorry, I know I'm a lady, I shouldn't say it. But in our daily life, 放屁 means talk nonsense or talking out of your ass. Okay, so when somebody did it, you can reply them 放屁. Hi Daisy, Tom told me you write him the love letter every week. Is that true? Huh? What? Tom? 放屁. The fifth one is 很上头. 很上头 literally means up to your head. So in daily life, that means you're really addicted to something. So you can use this word to describe you're really addicted to something or somebody. Hi Daisy, how is this biscuit? 很上头. Cut. Guys, Daisy again. Excuse me. I'm on a diet. Because of you guys, I have teach you Mandarin, show you what the meaning of the actual words. So I have to eat biscuit. This is really high calorie. I may gain 1 kg tomorrow. So as an adult, so I believe you know what you should do, right? The sixth one is 我酸了. 我酸了 literally means I'm sour. So in daily life, that means you positively feel bitter envy for somebody. But this one is in the positive way. How is your work? I just got a promotion and I will get married next month. 我酸了. The seventh one is 玻璃心. 玻璃心 literally means glass heart. In daily life, that means somebody is really fragile emotionally. Daisy, you know what? I just told my boyfriend we will hang out this weekend. You know what happened? He was really upset because he thought I want to escape from him. 他很玻璃心. The last one is 剁手. 剁手 literally means cut your hands. That is, in daily life, when we want to control our spending, we will use this word. For example, somebody impulsively spends lots of money, and the only way to control themselves is cut their hands. Okay, Daisy, I know today is Boxing Day. Everyone knows it, but do you know we already received 20 parcels for you? Sorry. 我剁手. Alright, that is all about today. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you really like my video, please give me a like or subscribe to my channel. I will see you every week. Bye bye!